Hey, for people who know me and those who don't, hi, my name is Melissa. इसके आगे क्या बोलते हैं? Still trying very hard to get used to my intro. I hope you get used to this awkwardness as well. Anyways, coming back to today's video, it is basically going to be me sharing all my quarantine favorites. Basically, whatever I have been up to during this lockdown, whatever I have liked using during this lockdown. It's a very random sort of a video, so in no particular order, let's begin with my quarantine favorites. So my first quarantine favorite is a to-do notebook. This particular one is from Supple Room, and basically all of us have been really unproductive during this time. I get it. I am the queen of procrastination, and basically whenever I have something important or not so important to do, I just procrastinate the hell out of it. I am super lazy and lethargic. I don't get to it, and then when the deadline is crossed, I sit and fret over why I didn't do it. But that was me a month or so ago. Right now I am super productive, and I can say it's because of maintaining a book. So basically you can like just write down your tasks which you have to do for the day, and once you're done with them, just tick them off. So it helps you remain productive. Trust me when I say this. Yeah, please do try it. I recommend you to maintain a book and try to be productive during this time, and you won't regret it once the lockdown is over. This next favorite is game changing for me. It's a face razor. Now, pre quarantine, I wouldn't have done something like this because I already have a man face. I'm capable of growing a mustache, and I wouldn't have ever thought of doing something like this because I used to go to the parlor once a month, and I used to get my eyebrows threaded and my upper lips waxed. But thanks to lockdown, parlors weren't open, so I went on for 2 months at least without doing anything to my face. But then it reached a point eventually where I had to do something about it because I had to attend Zoom calls for my internship, and I used to video call my friends, and I had to click pictures for Instagram because yeah, girl loves Instagram. So I eventually decided to go for it, and it worked wonders for me. I do it once in 4 or 5 days. So basically you just, it comes with a cap by the way, so you can, it's travel friendly. So you just go down your face, very soft motion, and yeah, that's it. Be careful when you do your eyebrows. I once slit it into half, but apart from that, it works wonders. I don't have any peach fuzz now. Upper lips are perfect, and eyebrows are still wonky, but yeah, good to go. So yeah, if you can try it out at your own risk. I've heard people who have thicker growth after that, so I'm not going to say anything about that. But for me, it has worked wonders, and it's from this company called let'sshave.com, and it's super affordable. You can check it out on Amazon or Nykaa. I'll leave the links down below, but do try it out. Just do a patch test if you want. If it works for you, please go ahead and use it because it's pain free first of all, so much better than threading or waxing or epilating or whatever. So yeah, coming to my third quarantine favorite, it is this. Now these are the Bose Soundsport headphones, and they are on the expensive side, to be very honest. I got it as a gift from my uncle a year ago, and it's amazing. Like, I didn't use it outside because I was just afraid कान वगैरह से गिर गया, तो I was a bit skeptical about that, and they're super expensive. You don't want to lose it. So I started using it a while ago at home only, like घर पे workout करते time, झाड़ू पोछा बर्तन and stuff like that. And trust me, they are amazing. One reason, wire का hassle नहीं है, बस sort. So yeah, I would recommend y'all to buy these if y'all have like a good amount of money to invest in headphones. So basically you charge the case, and these get charged automatically. It takes about 3 hours to charge the whole thing, and once you're done using this, you put it back in the case and it recharges on its own. I don't know uska kya technology hai, but yeah, that is what it is. And it doesn't fall from your ear. By simply at all, I was scared and I didn't use it. So I'm definitely going to be using a lot of this in the future. And yeah, my fourth favorite is a lipstick. Now I don't wear lipstick at home, just putting it out there, but you have to attend these Zoom calls for your internships, for your courses, for your college ka to lectures nahi hai filhal, but yeah, I do have to attend a few calls for this marketing internship I'm doing, this audio blog internship that I'm doing. So I do not like to I don't put a full face of makeup either way. So I just like to look presentable for the meeting. So I use this lipstick. Now this is an everyday sort of shade. I'm wearing it on my lips right now. Abhi to dark dala, but you can apply it lightly. Super affordable, and it has a really creamy texture. So you know you're not drying your lips out. So this is by the brand L18 and it's in the shade Code Red. I apply it as a blush and a light coat of lipstick and thoda mascara, and yeah, you look presentable for your meeting and you don't look like a mess. So I would recommend you all to try it out if you all are interested in an everyday sort of shade which is super affordable. And yeah, this is it. Moving on to the fifth and my most favoritist favorite, it is my guitar. So I got this a while ago, I guess 3 years ago. I started playing 9 years ago, but then like my actual instrument was beyond repair. Fretboard and all teda ho gaya tha baja baja ke. So this is a new one and this is by the brand Hobner. I got it from Futados in CST. If you want, I'll leave the address in the description box. You can check it out. So this one is super affordable. I think I got it for 6,500, and which is super affordable for a guitar. It's an acoustic guitar, and the past 9 years I've had some really good memories with this, some not so good memories with the guitar. And I remember when I was in the 7th grade, I really wanted to become the lead guitarist of some forte band and all, but then I stopped playing. So I guess this quarantine has got me closer to this instrument. I don't play it often and I don't play it for anyone. Just occasionally mama dada ke liye chura liya and all, that's fine, but I usually just keep it to myself. And whenever I'm feeling a negative emotion, or I don't know, I feel very low, I just take my guitar and I'm just randomly strumming some chords and singing along with it. And yeah, it keeps me much happier, and I'm glad I got back to playing. I don't know why I left in the first place. And one thing that has helped me be sane in this quarantine is this guitar, and I recommend you all to try out any instrument. I'm telling you, it gets you out of your negative space. If you're playing, if you're singing, I mean, it's your choice if you want to sing or no, but actually playing an instrument actually makes you much more positive and much more motivated. So try doing that. And with that, we have finally come to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Do give it a like if you did, and comment down below as to what are your quarantine favorites. And subscribe to the channel, click on the bell thing if you want to get notified when I upload. Until next time, bye.